Discipline is something that you're not born with. No one comes out of the womb with more discipline than the other. It is a byproduct a lot of times of how you've been raised. It is a byproduct of your belief system. It is a byproduct of your environment in many ways. So if you were brought up in an environment where you were raised by your parents to basically do anything you want to, and there was no regiment, no rules, no routines to follow, no chores or whatever, you're probably going to have difficulty later in life with the concept of discipline. If you are naturally resentful of authority, and there are some people who are naturally they're naturally resentful of authority. A lot of people in lower socioeconomic upbringings, right? Poor people, they tend to resent authority, to resent those that have more authority, more power, more privilege, more money, whatever. They resent that. So that person will tend to not be as disciplined. Why? Because rules represent authority. Why should I follow this rule? Why can't I do what I want to do? All right. And so there's a lot that goes into why one person is potentially more disciplined than another person is. But no matter where you fall on the discipline barometer, we all have to work at it. No one comes to the discipline game perfect. There might be different varying degrees of discipline, but we all have to get better at it. So my point is that no one's born with it. You are given cards. You are dealt a hand of cards at birth by having your parents, your environment, your upbringing, and things of that nature, your level of education and what have you. But as an adult, you take that hand of cards that you've been dealt, and now you got to work with it. And some people have to go a lot further than others, and others don't have to go as far. That's why this game is such an individual journey from trader to trader. It's impossible to categorize everyone. You know, everyone's unique. They come to the game with their own individual set of baggage that they have to deal with. So what's the key to improving discipline? Making discipline your objective and not making money. So you have to practice things like, very simple things like, okay, I enter a trade. I set my stop. I know where my exit is. Now, let's say it's a system like this. I'm either going to make this simple. I'm going to get a $1 profit on this trade. Or I'm going to experience a 30-cent loss. And that's it. The next 20 trades, that's my trading plan. I'm going to get $1, or I'm going to experience a 30-cent loss. And I'm going to do that 20 times. Now, if you can get through 20 trades doing that, no matter what happens, it's like I enter the trade, and now it's not up to me. It's up to the stock. The stock goes $1, I sell, or down 30 cents, I'm out. Okay, do that 20 times. Can you do that 20 times? These are very interesting drills that increases discipline in the trader. It's not about results. It's about, can you do what you set out to do 20 times in a row? Now, we can add some additional complexity to that plan, some additional sophistication, a higher level of sophistication. We can go something like this. We can say, okay, once I have the same plan, I make $1 or lose 30 cents, but we can add something like this. Once I gain 30 cents, I raise my stop to break even. Now my stop is no longer 30 cents negative. I move my stop to my entry price. Now, once I gain 30 cents, I can't lose money. Now, I'm either going to get my dollar or I'm going to break even. Higher level of sophistication. We can go even further. What if you did now 20 times doing that with the break even addition to the plan? Do that 20 times. Then you say, okay, I got past that 20 times. Let's go to the next level. Let's add another level of sophistication to this. So I'm going to make $1 or lose 30 cents. Once I gain 30 cents, I'm going to move my stop to break even. Once I gain 60 cents, I'm going to move my stop to a 30-cent gain. So that now I've got 60 cents. My stop has been moved to 30 cents. I'm either going to get the dollar or stop out with a 30-cent gain. Do that 20 times. And if you pass that hurdle, all right, you're probably disciplined.